When you go out there in the morning, when you wake up early, you have to depend on your equipment. You know you can depend on this Parkhurst Bale Unroller.
We build our products to last, and our 3-point Bale Unroller is no exception. But it's pretty much a universal piece of equipment to go on any tractor, any brand, any make, any model.
When you're feeding animals, if you're doing it one bale at a time in one spot, you're going to get a lot of trampled earth, you're going to get a lot of soil compaction, and that's going to lead to a lot of weeds sitting there. And it also crowds the cows. They're going to beat those heifers out of there, them older cows. You're also going to have more of a chance for calves to get run over and stepped on. If you use a bale unroller, you're going to have a larger feeding area. You're going to have a dry place for the calves to lay down that are out of the way. You're going to give those young cows and those heifers a chance to feed while they're with the herd, so they're not separated from each other. It's just the ease and knowing that you're going to be able to get out in the field, you're going to be able to unroll it, you're not going to have to worry about getting stuck.
These units also have these storage stands. Lock them back in, they stay with the unit, set it down on a hard flat surface, and there it sets ready for the next time you need to unroll some hay. We've got this 45-degree extension up here to get you a little more height on your bales. It's adjustable. You can roll 4-foot bales, 5-foot bales, 6-foot bales. We've got people out in Maine rolling 4-foot bales feeding buffalo. We've got people in Wyoming rolling 6-foot bales feeding cows, so they're all over the country. We've got bale unrollers in 33 states right now.
You don't need to go out there and spend $10,000 to $15,000 on a bale bed for a truck when you can get one of these from Parkhurst. It's made in the U.S.A. and it's going to be durable and it's going to last you for a long time.
Built right in Sedalia, Missouri since 1946.